What kind of permits are required for solar energy system installation? When installing a solar energy system, there are various permits that must be obtained from your city and county building departments before you move on with your home improvement project. The requirements are different in every state, and your city might have their own requirements. Most likely, you will need to acquire a building permit as well as an electrical permit to move forward. You as a homeowner will not have to worry about obtaining these permits because the permitting process will be handled by your solar panel installer. It is always a good idea to bring this up with your solar panel installer before you award the contract. Also, ask how much of the total installation cost is for permitting. This will give you some ideas as to what percent of the total cost is actually going for hardware expenses and labor, and how much of that is going towards permitting.